Dear students, welcome to the classes of Ray Academy. We are studying analysis of financial statements, and this is the chapter on comparative statements and common size statements. And the concept is common size statement of a profit and loss, that is income statement. The question is, prepare common size statement of a profit and loss from the following statement of a profit and loss. और यहाँ पे कंपनी का नाम दे नहीं रखा है, एक ही साल का इंफॉर्मेशन दे रखा है, ओनली 1 ईयर. तो वी कैन से कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस और डैश डैश लिमिटेड. कंपनी का नाम नहीं है तो हम डैश लगा सकते हैं या नहीं लिखेंगे. फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31 मार्च ऑफ द करेंट ईयर. यहाँ पे करेंट ईयर क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है, करेंट ईयर ना लिख के वो ईयर यहाँ पे लिखो ऑलवेज. देयर विल बी 3 कॉलम्स लाइक दिस. One is for particulars, main column, then current year 31st March. यहाँ पे current year question से लिखो with amount. Then the other one is percentage of revenue from operations or net sales. यहाँ पे percentage आएगा, percentage of revenue from operation. एकदम question में size करके दे रखा है. Revenue from operations आपको है, income में लिखो revenue from operations. And this is always take this as 100, or if I'll say the percentage of revenue from operations to net sales is 100. तो हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, revenue from operations divided by revenue from operations multiplied by 100 will be the percentage 100. तो revenue from operations को हमेशा 100 लेना है. Then comes your other income. Other income for the current year is rupees 60,000. Then to find out percentage, it is 60,000, yani other income divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100 is your 4%. Then comes the totaling. आपको income part को total करना है. तो income part total करने के टाइम पे आप यहाँ पे खाली एक ही ईयर दे रखा है जो कि current year जिसको बोला जा सकता है. आप ईयर लिख लेना क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली. तो आपको इनकम पार्ट को टोटल करना है. टोटल इनकम आएगा. द टोटल इनकम इज रुपीज 15,60,000 डिवाइडेड बाय रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस रुपीज 15 लाख मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 विल गिव यू 104% ऑफ, दैट इज टोटल इनकम. टोटल रेवेन्यू इज 104% ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन. Then comes your expenses. The first expense being purchases of a stock in trade. Look at the question. Purchases of a stock in trade 7,50,000. So rupees 7,50,000 divided by revenue from operation which is rupees 15 lakhs multiplied by 100 is equal to 50%. This is the percentage of revenue from operations. Purchases of stock in trade and revenue from operations. Everything by revenue from operations multiplied by 100 to find out the percentage. Next one is changes in inventories of a stock in trade. Changes of inventories in stock in trade, that is 50,000. तो changes in inventories of a percentage कैसे निकलेगा? Changes in inventories of stock in trade rupees 50,000 divided by revenue from operations rupees 15 lakhs multiplied by 100 will give you 3.33%. Then third item will be other expenses, that is given to us in the question rupees 2,10,000. Other expenses, other business expenses, that is rupees 2,10,000. Percentage कैसे निकलेगा? Divided by revenue from operations rupees 15 lakhs multiplied by 100 will give you 14%. यानी other expenses revenue from operations का 14% है. Then expenses side को आप total करो. इसको total करोगे तो you will be getting total expenses 10,10,000. अगर 10,10,000 का परसेंटेज निकालोगे रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस का, इट इज रुपीज 10,10,000 डिवाइडेड बाई revenue from operations rupees 15 lakhs multiplied by 100 will be 67.33%. Now, total revenue minus total expenses will give rise to net profit before tax. तो ये भी आपको क्वेश्चन में निकाल के दे रखा है 5,50,000. You also find it. Net profit before tax 1 minus 2. This is 1 totaling minus 2 totaling is equal to this. 15,50,000 rupees. अगर नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स का परसेंटेज निकालोगे टोटल रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस के लिए तो दैट इज नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स रुपीज 5,50,000 डिवाइडेड बाई रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस rupees 15 lakhs multiplied by 100 will give rise to 35.23%. 35.23%. This will be the percentage of net profit before tax to revenue from operations. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में everything divided by revenue from operations multiplied by 100 give you all these percentage. And this is your final answer.